Here is a quick review of the Kate Black Gray backdrop that I bought on Amazon for €33. And this is not a sponsored video. I did buy it with my own money. And right off the bat, you can see that it is not fully black. It really has a green tint to it on the overall backdrop. And that really is a shame because if you look at the original photo on their website, it is definitely black, very deep black. And you're not going to get that with this backdrop. And the fact that it's not a uniform backdrop, it really helps with the wrinkles because you will have to iron out the wrinkles. I used a steamer to get rid of mine and it was fairly quick, but you will have to do that. And I really needed a new backdrop because I'm not in my place anymore because of the virus. I had to find a solution for a backdrop. There's also a sleeve on the long side where you can fit a pole in it and hang it as you would a normal backdrop. For my setup, I couldn't do that, so I just taped it against the wall. And here's what a dark gray backdrop looks like. It really isn't green. If you look at the difference here, you can really see that it's very, very much green. So anyway, I think that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really quick. I just wanted to show you what you're gonna get when you buy this particular backdrop. I might do that with other brand or other colors if you guys are interested in that. And let me know in the comments below if you are interested in that. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It really does help a lot with this channel to make more videos like this one. And if you did not like this video, well, you know what to do. I hope that you and your family are safe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.